How to connect MyFitnessPal and Trainerize. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. For this we have to open up our MyFitnessPal first and foremost, so go ahead and do that. You can easily get this application in your Play Store or App Store. You have to sign in or log into your MyFitnessPal first and foremost. Now to connect with the Trainerize, firstly, you have to go ahead and make your diary to public. Select the diary option, tap on the three dot and head to diary settings. Tap on diary sharing and set it to public. Once you are done from here, open up your Safari or a browser and search for Trainerize. Tap on your profile icon at the top, then head to the three dot icon at the bottom. From here, select MyFitnessPal under the option of Connect. Once you tap on it, you have to again tap on the Connect option given to you. Authorize Trainerize for allowing all the permission it asks for. Now after this, the simple step is to enter your email address and password of MyFitnessPal. If you forgot your password, tap on Forgot Your Password and follow the instructions. By this way, you'll be able to successfully connect your MyFitnessPal and Trainerize. Isn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.